Now put in reverse. Okay, pump more. Okay, here's the sound which everyone is complaining while they put the car in reverse or D drive.